Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make slow roasted pork. We'll try something different. Today we're going to be making tuna poke. So what I have here is some sashimi-grade tuna steaks. So the rule with tuna, how you know it's good, it should not smell at all. And the deeper the red color, the better it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cubing these. For our marinade, we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and if you want to add a little bit of heat, you can add red pepper flakes. Just gonna add 2 chopped scallions. Okay, so we're going to just let that marinate for a couple hours. I'm gonna put that in the fridge while we make our guacamole, avocado mash. We have 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. We have some grated ginger.
Go.
We're gonna use the juice of 1 whole lime. Two tablespoons of chopped cilantro and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now we're just gonna mash it all up. Okay, so we're gonna set our avocado mash to the side. We're gonna take a separate bowl and we're going to start on our spicy mayo. So we're gonna be taking half a cup of mayo. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of sriracha, but you can use about whatever you're comfortable with. I like to eyeball it, and I'm just gonna leave it right there. And we're just gonna take the juice of half a lemon. Okay, now we're just gonna whisk it all up. Be gross, please. Salt. Gonna add some salt. Okay, so we have everything together. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So for a little appetizer, you can just put it in a little bowl like this. We start with the avocado. We're gonna take some of our tuna. I'm gonna get some scallions in there. So what I have here is some roasted seaweed. We're just gonna break off a little piece. And we'll just crumple it up and sprinkle it over the top of our poke. So for a bigger portion, this is Maui's portion, we're going to take some more avocado. Just spread it over the bowl. I don't think Maui would mind if I tried some. Let's see. That's very good. You can taste the sesame oil and the soy sauce and the tuna, the salty and crispiness in the seaweed, the fresh and coolness from the avocado, and a little bit of spiciness from that spicy mayo. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you try it. If you have any questions on any of the ingredients, where to get them, how much you should use, make sure to leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer you. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.